Inverter.
Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. The title of the project is Online Cake Ordering System. The abstract of the project is the purpose of online cake ordering system is to automate the existing manual system by the help of computerized equipments and full-fledged computer software, fulfilling the requirements so that their valuable data or information can be stored for a larger period with easy accessing and manipulating of the same. Their required software and hardware are easily available and easy to work with. Online cake ordering system, as described above, can lead to error-free, secure, reliable, and fast managing system. It can assist the user to concentrate on their other activities rather to concentrate on the keep record keeping. Thus, it will help organization in better utilization of resources. The organization can maintain computerized record without redundant entries. That means that one need not be distracted by information that is not relevant while being able to reach the information. Basically, the project describes how to manage for good performance and better service for the client. The flow diagram of the project is consist of two set of modules. One is admin or vendor module and another one is user or customer module. In vendor or admin module should register on the cake ordering system website and log in the website. The vendor can only add or delete the cake from the cake shop and fix the price. And the vendor or admin should check the order status from the customer, whether the placed order is delivered or out of stock. In user or customer module, the user should register the online cake ordering system website and log in the website. The customer select the cake from the website menu, while the registration user must select B category based on eggless or egg cake, so that user can easily select the cake and place the order and check out the order. If user wrongly placed the order, they can delete the order from the cart. I am going to run my project in web server. This is the website of cake ordering system. These are all the cake menus. Vendor or admin is login. This is the vendor or admin login. Vendor can only the add cakes and delete the cake and check the order status. This is user sign up page. User can choose the eggless cake or egg cake before registration. I am choosing eggless cake. I am created an account and the menu shows only the eggless cakes. User can order any type of cakes and he can proceed to checkout. User can cancel the order. Vendor confirm or cancel the order. It's delivered.